welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for skillet potatoes. Some may know it as fried or breakfast potatoes. To get started, here I'll be using some russet potatoes, and I chopped them in about half an inch size thick. I also will be using red and green bell peppers, some onions, and for the seasonings I have black pepper, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, complete seasoning, mushroom seasoning, smoked paprika, and some butter. Here in my cast iron skillet, I did add some chicken grease, and now I will add my butter, allowing it to melt. Once the butter melts, I'll add my potatoes, and I will cover the potatoes, allowing it to sweat a bit. After about 5 minutes, you want to go in and gently fold the potatoes over. We don't want to stir it up. We just want to fold them over so that what's at the bottom can come up to the top and what's at the top can go down to the bottom. We just want a nice char on those potatoes before we start seasoning them. So 10 minutes in, we are checking these potatoes for a second time, and now we will season the potatoes before we fold it over again. We will season, then we'll fold, season again, and then we'll add our onions and bell peppers and we'll season those as well. We'll sit the lid on and we'll let it go for another 5 minutes. So when I first came to America, my mother-in-law was the first person that made these potatoes, and she would always make them with like pork chops or fried chicken. That's the first time I ever tasted these potatoes, and they were so good. You know, I never knew that they were eaten at breakfast time till years later. Then I realized that people use them for breakfast, because my mother-in-law, she would never use it for breakfast. She would always make it like dinner time with pork chops or fried chicken. And that's the way I like to have it. So now we're 15 minutes in, and now we will give these a flip. Now this is the way I like to see my fried potatoes. I like them with that char, you know, that nice color on them, that golden brown. That's how I like to have my potatoes. So now it's, you know, coming to the color that I love. We will flip it and we'll let it go for 5 more minutes. So now that the potatoes are almost done, we will now hit it with a last set of seasonings. This is the remainders of the seasoning that I had left. I will hit it with that, give it another flip, and let it go for about 2 minutes. And then we'll be ready to serve. And after about 22 minutes in total, the potatoes are finally done. They are absolutely flavorful, delicious, and it can go with almost anything. For me, I like to have it at dinner time with some fried pork chop. So that's what I'll be plating this up with. And here you have it, guys, my version of skillet potatoes. It was absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.